Welcome to Algo RPI Euro 2024. This is a bottom of the table match between Slovakia and Romania. Both teams are out of the knockout rounds. This is a game of pride. Do not go home as the bottom of the group with 0 points. The match will be starting soon. 2 versus 2. The winner is the first to score 10 goals. And we have kickoff. Oh, the first goal is an own goal from Slovakia's defender. So that was quick. 1-0 for Romania, and it's 2-0 from Romania. Another bizarre own goal. Well, it's 2-0 now for Romania. Are we going to see another own goal? Hopefully not. Lots of play in the midfield. And Romania on the attack. Oh, I said too soon. Another own goal from Slovakia. (3-0 for Romania. Oh, and this time no own goal, but a nice attack from Romania onto the side of the goal. 4-0 now for Romania. It's one-sided traffic so far. But Slovakia on the attack. Are they going to tap it in? Yes, they did. There's a slow-moving loose ball managed to be tapped in by the Slovakia attack. And it's 4-1 for Romania. Oh, an own goal from Romania this time. Similar to the Slovakia own goal. It's 4-2 for Romania. He seems to be going the wrong direction. Romania suddenly U-turn and scored into their own goal. How bizarre. It's 4-3 for Romania. Romania on the attack. Oh, nice defending from Slovakia, but the ball hit the Romanian attacker and went back in. These players are controlled by AI. The higher the country's FIFA world ranking, the more games this AI gets to train on. Slovakia is ranked 45 and their AI is trained on 1 million games. Romania is slightly higher at 43rd and its AI gets to train on 1.05 million games. The number of training games are fairly low in the AI world, which explains some of the bizarre behavior from both teams. We join the game back at 5-3 for Romania, and Slovakia has scored one. A quick one off the whistle and the correct side of the goal this time. And it's 5-4 for Romania, and it's 5-all from Slovakia. What a comeback. They have drawn with Romania now. 5-all. Slovakia on the attack again. A loose ball. Is someone going to pick it up? Well, the Slovakia attacker did. And just had to tap it in. And it's 6-5 for Slovakia and 7-5 from Slovakia. Amazing comeback, and now they're pulling ahead. 7-5 from Slovakia. Making a U-turn. No, they're doing the right direction, and it's 8-5 from Slovakia. Well, there was a bit of scare when they U-turn, but they found the right direction and hit it in. It's 8-5 for Slovakia. And they are still attacking, pressing through, and they have managed to press through the defenders. Somehow a tug of war, and the ball went in. It's 9-5 now from Slovakia, game point. And what a comeback thanks to Romania's defender. Slovakia has sealed the game. Amazing comeback. At the start, we thought it was a one-sided game when Romania raced to a 4-0 lead. But Slovakia turned the tables and made it a one-sided game in their favor. In the end, they won it with Slovakia 10, Romania 5. And this is the final state of Group A. Belgium on top with 9 points, followed by Ukraine with 6, Slovakia third with 3 points, and Romania at the bottom with 0. Give Slovakia and Romania a thumbs up if you enjoyed this two-sided, one-sided game. The final group games are up next. Subscribe to watch the Group F games.